it's all over. They think it's all over, and it's all over now. How did it go for you, David?
Well,
Actually, who are you?
I'm David Guerin, retired air traffic controller, safety advisor to the Lake Victoria Challenge, safety specialist, and I've sit on many interesting bodies. And the Lake Victoria Challenge for me, I mean, the reason I came out of retirement was because there's a great cause, there'll be great outcomes from this. What we wanted to do was come up with an operations manual that would test every single part of this process of flying beyond visual line of sight. Beyond visual line of sight is not new. People are doing it, they've done it right here. They've never done it this close to the airport. We're only 3,000
It's
feet from the
windsock there, yeah. 3,000 feet, is it?
That's right. So people have never done that before, so we had to work on that integration piece. However, the other things that we wanted to try, all of them we've tested in this event. We've tested teams, we've tested logistics, everything we expected to go wrong went wrong, excluding the fact that we didn't have any crashes or incidents or accidents, which is excellent. We also found out all the things that we didn't realise we needed to test. So this was all, the flying display side, it was all an evaluation of the safety risk, of the environmental risk, of the privacy issues, the community issues. All of these we had to test here, and now we know which ones to put more effort into, which ones to address, and we have the building blocks of how the Lake Victoria Challenge will move forward, with competitions, with challenges, with drone ports, with airspace management, and this will be able to be used, mirrored around Africa and the broader world. You know, it's
And I think
an amazing step.
It's been amazing. I've been amazed, except for your work, obviously. But no, it's been really, it's quite amazing how it's worked, and I'm very surprised. You know, you had the VIPs just here, and aircrafts flying to islands over there, and it felt like that's how it will be, and why isn't it like that? It's easy, and we know it ain't easy.
Yes, and
So,
actually, yeah, good point. And to add on that, you've picked up on something really valuable, and that is that we try to replicate an urban environment as well. We don't want to have to take the risk on flying over, so we didn't fly over any land, but we did fly from land or beaches right next to the water, right next to people. So we trialled everything we could possibly trial.
yeah, no, it was great. And thanks very much for the time to talk to me. Thanks very much for letting me stand by you and annoy you. I've really enjoyed it. So thanks very much,
man, and we've had a great team. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, man.